Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara. Alam ta'alam anna Allah lahu mulku as-samawati wal-ard? Don't you know that the kingdom of the heavens and the earth belong to Allah? This is verse 107. This verse addresses the fact that we are only temporary possessors of bits and pieces of this world. The first point of reflection is, where should our focus be? Should we be focused on the world's trappings when they really don't belong to us and they will not benefit us when we leave this world? Is that where we should be focused? Or is there something beyond that? The second point of reflection was brought to us by the Prophet ﷺ himself. He advised us to be in this world like a traveler, unattached to the things of this world around us. So this is how we should approach this life. Since it doesn't belong to us, we only have it temporarily, then we shouldn't become so attached to it that we end up doing all kinds of terrible things. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
لا إله